And for Khao Soi, we prepare already easy นะคะ for Khao Soi egg noodle we boil already boil about 5 minutes นะคะ and this one same 5 นะคะ egg noodle 5 เนาะ in your bowl pickle bok choy นะคะ yes pickle bok choy and for shallot ค่ะ thin slice it please we prepare already for massaman เนาะ potato boil roasted peanut and beef นะคะ for onion we do like a same soup cut in half and
Ja, das ist very anders. Ona bonito do meu doutor.
What is everything? This is fresh ingredient for curry paste นะคะ You pour everything in the cutting board okay? And then tension please one by one please lemongrass first lemongrass นะคะ and then shallot นะคะ shallot
Szalot, taka mała cebulka.
and you know
Galanga.
yes galanga นะคะ and garlic ค่ะ everyone this is coriander roots or coriander stem นะคะ and turmeric ค่ะ curcuma นะคะ and the last ค่ะ coffee lime นะคะ coffee lime skin เนาะ everyone you see 7 things in your cutting board this is fresh ingredient for curry paste นะคะ and then chop ค่ะ chop two together you can chop together นะคะ two smaller please chop together and green curry นะคะ
Będzie znowu mieszać?
and massaman the last massaman together
Tak. No, jest ty poczekaj, teraz mamy.
please okay a little bit more please
Okay. Yes, please. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Look, shake out. Look.
Popatrz, Olga, jest tu. Podtrzymasz w rączkach?
No papryczkę, nie? O, to żółte, nie?
Można teraz grejmamy.
Czekaj, pomału, kochanie.
Chef, ready. You can stand here.
Susie?
Yeah.
Słyszę.
Chcesz stanąć na stoleczku?
All right, sushi.
Jest okej?
Thank you. All right, everyone, and then turn on, please. Turn on to medium fire. All right, everyone, and then curry paste. Add to curry paste here. Curry paste.
Dodaję tą pastę do środka, wiesz?
Don't burn my ear.
Dodaję kurczaczka, widzisz?
przelewamy
Yes,
mleko
for
kokosowe.
everyone. One
Bo.
This also?
No, later. Alright, everyone, and then all of coconut milk, add all of coconut milk,
Wlewać całe mleczko?
and use maximum heat, okay? Use
Całe,
maximum
wszystko.
heat.
올려줘요.
Alright, everyone, and then the last mushroom powder, okay? For sour taste. Everyone, how's all your curry? How's all your curry?
Good, very good. Yeah,
Come
very
on,
good.
if you like your curry, turn it off, please. If you like your curry, turn it off.
Podoba?
More spicy? Yeah. Khao Soi นะครับ egg noodle เนาะ we boiled already you can pour your curry in here
Okay.
yes enough
Yes.
pour in your bowl ค่ะ pour in your bowl
Wlewam do miski.
anything more this one for you
어때?
yes in your bowl
Widzisz, Aga?
So the rice is just garnish on top
yes
and just get on top.
and then bring your curry ค่ะ on eating table and come back to the last menu